Bacta Cult Degrader is an innovative solution for wastewater treatment. Each box of Bacta Cult Degrader contains 5 pouches weighing 30 to 40 grams. Each pouch contains powdered form of bacterial culture packed into the starch-based paper. It is developed to make bacterial dosing hassle-free and stress-free. We can just put one pouch into the toilet connected to septic tank and the bio toilet, and it will get auto dissolved when it comes into the contact with the water. Immediately it will start degrading the organic load, and it is beneficial for removing clogs and the foul odor. Lastly, it is a pocket friendly, easy to handle and effective solution. It can troubleshoot the problems in wastewater industries in all the types of industries, institutes and organizations.